share with you guys a package I just received from Cricut. I wasn't going to share it, but it is because the deal's over. Well, I thought was over, but they still have a 40% off deal on paper and that, so you might be able to still get this. All of this I got, I ended up only paying $158. That's it for all of this. And that is with taxes, that is with the exchange. That is because I used my promo code paper, and also because I am an Access member, so I got another 10% off. So all of these ones with the plastic container still attached, they are all Cricut's permanent vinyl. They're premium permanent vinyl. And I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of them. Okay, I got 6 of them. Really cool colors. I love the coral. That's quite a nice color. Just put these out of the way. These rolls are all their Strong Bond. They're Sports Flex iron-on, and this one is their, I'm just looking for the color, they're Amethyst. It's pretty cool. And then just some black, some white, metallic rose gold, and a fuchsia kind of, let's see what they call it, raspberry. So I have 5 of the iron-on. Then I went sort of paper crazy. Oh, another, so I had another permanent one. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, I guess. Okay, the rest is all paper. I got this one. I got True Brush paper. That's pretty cool. Actually, I'm pretty excited to try that. I got their Monster Party. Let's open some of these up and see some of the other papers that are in there. I don't have my X-Acto knife, so I'll just quickly grab a pair of scissors. Let's see what else they have in here. So they have some solid, some roars and boo and eyeballs. That's pretty cool paper. And I actually have 2 of those, so I gotta find the other one. There is Animal Antics. This one I thought was pretty neat. So let's just pop that. Go to the end. Dots, paw prints, food. I like that one. It's really nice. This is going to be another brush one that I got. Oh, look at that red. Wow. I'm sure the picture doesn't do it justice. Oh, there's my grandson. This should be the other monster one I got. Now, this is pretty cool. This is what I've been excited to show you. This Cricut has 12 by 24 sheets of cardstock. Yeah, really. This is huge. I've got this one in brown tones, so it's all, sorry, it's all different shades of browns. I got a 12 by 24 in red tones. There's all the different colors there. Same as the brown, there's the brown tones. I got green tones right there. I got a variety pack right there. I also got a pack of just white, and it looks like I got 2 packs of just white. So yeah, yep. So yeah, guys, that is a great deal. $158 from the States in American, well, that's what it costs Canadian for me. Don't forget to use my promo discount code PAPER, P-A-P-E-R, and you'll get 10% off some of your orders. It depends, long as it's nothing that plugs in. It's as long as it's nothing that plugs in, nothing digital, and none of the Access memberships. Next to that, the 10% promo code will work for you. And also, if you were to sign up for Access, if you don't have it already, you'll get another 10% off your order. So that's really cool. Cricut does still have some great sales happening right now. So get over there. And don't forget to use my links, please, below. I do receive a very small commission, which helps me to continue this channel and all the other work that I do on Facebook. I really appreciate all of your support. It means a lot to me. I'm now still just waiting. This was not all, actually. I forgot that I have the Easter mystery box was also part of this, which I have not yet received. I should receive that today. So anyways, guys, happy crafting and take care. Remember to like all my videos and subscribe to my channel. Bye, guys.